you come into crypto. It's a different world in terms of people's attitude. When you come to crypto, you have to offer skills which are relevant to crypto.
And what can someone new to crypto finance expect in terms of career progression? Welcome to our talent conversation. Please tell me a bit about yourself and your role.
Okay, I'm Richard Hickling, and I'm a co-founder of ProfitView. Where we focus on crypto trading, we make traders better. That's the idea. My financial career started a long time ago, at least 20 years. But always in finance, I've been involved in trading because I can talk a long time about how much fun that area is, and its importance in the world, and that's what I've always been into. So exchanges, New York Stock Exchange, Euronext, investment banks on their trading floors, that's been my bread and butter and my interest all my career.
Okay, so the theme we're going to be discussing today is transitioning from traditional finance to crypto markets. So what I'd like to ask you, Richard, is was there much in your traditional finance experience that you hold many years of that was useful in the crypto market?
Well, the area of crypto that we've got into is crypto trading, and you can't really do trade. You can only really do trading one way, and that's you've got to have order books, and you've got to enter bids and offers in those order books, and they've got to be matched in a timely way. And this is the same irrespective of your asset class. So that sort of conception is really the same. The actual details of how it goes ahead is very different, but if you have that experience, then it's going to be very useful in crypto trading if you're on a trading operation.
And taking that on board, what would you say what were the main challenges?
The first thing is that from the point of view of trading, it's very similar, but the asset class itself is different, just like other asset classes are different from each other. For instance, when I started in financial world, it was in equities and then equity derivatives, and it's sort of embarrassing. I thought the other asset classes were simple and rather obvious and not very interesting until I actually got into them when I in like rates and FX, and I realized how they were worlds in themselves. And that's certainly something you've got to appreciate when you come into crypto. It's a different world in terms of people's attitudes, the people you work with there, and the underlying technology, and you really need to work and understand it, and many people don't. Many people work in the crypto world and don't really understand it. It's sort of the elephant in the room with crypto. It's the basis of it is very complex, and you need to push yourself to delve into it.
And what can someone new to crypto finance expect in terms of career progression in comparison to having a career in traditional financial services or traditional finance?
Well, when you come to crypto, you have to offer skills which are relevant to crypto. And like I say, your traditional finance skills will be valuable, but you also need the other side of things, the WebSockets and so on. The way I look at it is traditional finance is Wall Street, whereas crypto is Silicon Valley. And so the Silicon Valley perspective needs to be there. You need to be native to WebSockets and REST interfaces and JSON and all the technologies which work around the web, and sort of bring them in with your financial knowledge. So that's sometimes people who've got experience in finance and have worked their careers and their education in finance don't really intersect with that world and can find it something they need to learn on the job.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for joining me for today's talent conversation. Thank you, Richard.
Thank you.